Imagine a world where your creativity knows no bounds and your potential has no limits. Welcome to ChatGPT Masterclass, an immersive journey into the realm of AI possibilities. Are you curious if AI will replace your job? Let's set the record straight. It won't. But here's the exciting twist. Those who embrace AI will uncover endless opportunities. Get ready to join a revolution that's reshaping industries and opening doors like never before. With ChatGPT as your guide, you will dive deep into the art of crafting prompts that fuel AI magic. Whether it's Midjourney or DALI, you will wield the power to transform your imagination into stunning digital art. Get ready to experience the fusion of AI tools, weaving together photos, videos, sounds, and text into a symphony of creativity. From unleashing your inner storyteller to crafting captivating content, you will be wizard of multimedia creation. Designers, coders, thinkers, whatever your domain is, AI is your collaborator in innovation. Our mission to empower you regardless of your background, to harness AI's potential and thrive in this dynamic landscape. Crafting the perfect prompts is your secret weapon, and we are here to guide you. We have distilled years of expertise into this masterclass, offering a roadmap to effortless email drafting, text summarization, and even code creation. No techie wizardry required. Speaking of magic, with DALI, an AI-based image generator, pair it with ChatGPT and watch your concept materialize in an instant. It's like having a virtual studio at your fingertips. But we are not stopping there. You will unveil the technology powering ChatGPT, getting the skill to build your chatbots and utilize. That's right, you will be coding AI creation of your own. Allow me to introduce your guide, Chetan, creators of top-rated course that empowers learners worldwide. Together, we will journey through the future of AI and unleash your potential. And here's the cherry on the top. Our course comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. Debut your tools in risk-free and get the sneak peek at the first course section for a free. The era of AI-driven innovation is here. Seize this chance to harness the power of ChatGPT and AI. Join us in this captivating masterclass and embark on a transformational adventure. Ready to reshape your future? Click enroll and step into the world where AI propels you towards success.